How to use Veeqo in UK. In this video, I'm going to explain how UK-based sellers can set up and operate Veeqo effectively. First, log into Veeqo and set your location to United Kingdom. In Settings, this ensures that tax calculations and shipping options align with UK regulations. You can also do this when signing up. Like, you can just click on sign up right here at the top in your veeqo.com website, and then you can click on continue with Amazon or continue with email. Let's just hit on continue with email. Now all you have to do is to fill out these details, and then let's just set a password for this one and then click on continue with email. And now you can see here that in this country section right here, you will be asked from which country you are from. So instead of United States, you can just click on this and then click on United Kingdom. And so you can see the country is set to United Kingdom. One thing to notice here is that Veeqo is fully available in the UK, so you can absolutely use it from there. And now all you have to do is to connect your UK sales channels such as Amazon, UK, eBay UK, and your own website. This integration syncs all your orders in one place, allowing you to manage inventory centrally. Additionally, Veeqo's VAT management features helps you handle tax calculations for UK specific orders. You can apply VAT rates automatically based on customer location. And that's how you use Veeqo in the UK.